Hello everyone, this is The Unspeakable at Innerscapes Art Studios. These are my swipe paints with 1 drop of silicone in each color, and we'll see what happens. Okay, today I am swiping over this painting. How's everyone doing? I miss you all. I'm in Colorado. There's a fire watch at my hometown, and one here too. Oh my. That is a clear coat of Floetrol and gloss medium. And now I'll put on the swipe paints. So here in Colorado, I do not have any paints with me at all. And I've been quite busy, so I've been thinking about painting, and the landscape is so beautiful here and so different. I'm going to order a selfie stick and show you all around. The colors are different. I'm about 5,000 feet higher than I was at my home, so it's over 6,000 feet here. It's great. I'm feeling really cared for, and the air is cooler. It's crisp and dry, which I guess is why we're under a fire watch. But things are going pretty well. So what I'm doing here is going through what's on my desktop and showing you that. Today I am swiping from the middle. There's a lot of paint in the middle of this canvas. So what I do here is fold down the edge that has the paint on it, and then swipe with the other edge. You can see how much paint is on the middle. Lots. Ooh, wow. This is the very last painting that I did before I left. I packed everything up and I was in a flurry of activity before I left. And this one I really like. It's kind of near and dear to me and reflects my journey a little bit. That was just way too much paint. But I did water it down before I started today because it is so hot. Well, here it is. Another heat wave painting. And at least the heat wave is surrounded in cool blue. We'll see how this dries. Okay, here it is, dry. It's really wonderful and simple. This painting inspires me to write about what's in my heart and mind in my journey. So you'll see that coming up. Thank you all for joining me. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.